Deciding to wear lenses after I've done my makeup and gotten ready was a bad decision. I'm all ready to head to Cafe Loda. I'm excited to see my boyfriend also. Very excited to see what the hype is all about. The cafe is located in Pragati Maidan, which means that you can also take the metro. I, however, will be taking a cab because I have a bunch of stuff which I'm not sure will be allowed in the metro. Yeah, can't wait to be there.
Boy, boy, oh yeah, abre Cristo mi more. Boy, boy, oh yeah, abre Cristo mi more. Igor Rosa di Ari tu carta, abre Cristo mi more. Igor Rosa di Ari tu carta, abre Cristo mi more.
I'd love to take the opportunity to tell you about the place, but I would recommend that you pause the video, read about it. Here's a wonderful article that I found that basically talks about how new life has breathed into the museum over the last 5 years because of Cafe Lota. And also this horse with the absolute perfect set of teeth. The crafts area was a bit unattended in my opinion, but I'm still gonna use the footage because of the birds and just the lush green trees. What are you doing?
Talking to play now.
After looking at these beautiful pieces, we went back to what we came here to do, eat. Cool.
ये तेरी निकल रही है
नस या बाल?
नस
हाँ ये तो है ही. मक्खी घूम रहे थे सर एकदम ऊपर. We're finally here at Cafe Loda. I came from Gurgaon, so it took me about like an hour to reach the place. We walked around the crafts museum and it was kind of sad because they want like a lot of people, and because they want a lot of people, the people who display their things here also were not on there, but that's fine because it was a good sight to the eyes, of course.
greenery
Yeah, it's very green, it's very
villagey
villagey. Yeah, because they're showing the crafts and the arts and tradition of different parts of India. There's a gallery where you're actually not allowed to take photos, but I still did. And now we're at Cafe Lota, and we ordered a bunch of small plates.
big plate also
What big plate?
one toddy fish curry जिसमें toddy होता है
क्या होता है toddy?
toddy is rice का wine like Kerala में they make the wine that is toddy fish curry like वो लोग कोकोनट लेते हैं और उसमें राइस का वाटर डालते हैं उसको फर्मेंट करते हैं and then it becomes very like sleepy and like it makes you very sleepy मैंने बहुत सारा देखा है उसमें like in a lot of Kerala restaurants like they just have like small huts वहाँ पे बस लोग जाते हैं और beef और like toddy खाते हैं पीते हैं beef खाते हैं toddy पीते हैं
So this is toddy fish curry, which means that it's cooked in toddy.
yeah
Okay.
it's like wine but
Got it.
toddy they तो कैफे में यही तो करते हैं like they get those dishes from like different parts of India that people don't usually eat like no butter chicken no
Correct.
ये सब नहीं है तो which is nice
But chicken's kind of overrated.
no like हो गया
It's 2021,
comfort food
Yeah, you were cool till like 2008. I think 2008 was like butter chicken's peak, I would say. I mean, it's
Yeah.
still fine, But like 2010 was like, okay, you know what, the world might end in 2 years. Wow, butter chicken chole bhature.
तूने बहुत सुबह सुबह ऑर्डर किया था
हाँ।
8 बजे
Yeah.
लाइक 8 बजे नहीं कहा था कोई छोले भटूरे लोग
Okay.
इट्स 11 AM फूड इट्स लाइक 11 AM खाओ और फिर सो जाओ जस्ट नीड टू कंफर्म कि ये वही है ना जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ इट्स वेरी कोल्ड लाइक नाइस कोल्ड नाइस स्पाइसी ऑल्सो नॉट दैट स्पाइसी इट्स वेरी fruity like the kokum you can taste the kokum very well
Reminds me of raita, and it has a very soda milk.
milk bhi hai
Well, I'm guessing it's raita related, but I can definitely taste soda because it has that
yeah
fizziness to it,
fizzy
the poppiness. I have no idea what kokum is, honestly. So I don't know what I'm tasting.
it's when everybody cooperates and comes so it's kokum yeah this is like not this
I think I want to start with this.
this
Yeah. You like?
or like idli it's like कोई और है इसमें
You like? Ta-da!
Guys, here we are again, back again with another
It seems as if they've used like the proper like South Indian coffee type ka liqueur to make like a general cold coffee. I like everything a lot, but we're kind of full is the problem. This is what our plates look like. We're almost done with these smallies. I don't know if of course we'll be able to eat it, man. Yeah, of course. But it's good.
There's nothing we can't do, you know.
Yeah.
If you put your mind to it.
Yeah.
If you put your mind to it, you can eat almost anything.
Yeah, as
Someone ate a bat.
bats are fine. If you eat like an actual like a bat and ball set, that's insane. Yeah. We ordered kacham prawn curry. Wasn't the best. I honestly don't. It's your channel now.
Hi guys, तो कच्चा प्रॉन करी अगर आप खाना चाहते हैं तो पहले आपको you need a palate which suits that flavor which is like a British palate I think which उसके ऊपर you would feel the taste more. Our palate is just too like you know उसमें बहुत कुछ हो चुका है पहले से तो उसमें like smooth flavors आते नहीं हैं so we need like some ऐसे मिर्ची गन पाउडर we need like कच्चा like literal कच्चा आम चाहिए हमें
I just did this nastiest stanky leg the world has ever seen, and now we're gonna eat mutton samosa to end, right? This is the end.
maybe not who knows life is
That's the ugliest chutney I've ever seen. Honestly, मेरे को लगा है ध्रुव ने करा है. मेरे को नहीं लगा था ऐसे आई है. मुझे लगा तूने करा है.
TLC में जब वो किसी NRI के घर पे बनाते थे समोसा
Today we're gonna be making some Indian
Samosas.
pockets. Eat. What are you doing?
oh good ये वो सौंठ की चटनी
सॉल्ट की चटनी नहीं होती कांडू, सॉल्ट ही होती है, इमली की चटनी होती है वो।
तो ऐसा पता है
मेयोनीज को क्या बोलेगा, तो मेयोनीज की चटनी है तो बस।
अंडे
हाँ वो अंडे तेल की चटनी हुई बट वो हुआ मेयोनीज। Hi, we're outside. We're done eating. We're done doing everything. Now we're headed. Sorry. Oh, in a holistic sort of a review, I would say that I like the Sandeep prawn fry the best.
yeah, Sandeep did a good job.
Yes, he did indeed.
Yeah.
I also like the palak patta chaat.
Yeah.
I think that would be second.
मटन समोसा
Mutton samosa was.
आई थिंक अगर वो पहले खाते
We were kind of full by the time we ate the mutton samosa. Did you get it packed? Did you have it? Oh. Oh, there we go. Okay.
मजा आया
In terms of ambience, I would say that it's a 7 on 10.
हाँ
Right?
like
It's
after the lights it got good
Yeah.
looking good
Yeah, it was good looking anyway.
yeah
But I feel like it can be a little, like it's cozy and all, but it can be a little more lively.
yeah sure
The big plate we didn't like a lot. The small plates we ordered many. We liked them, all of them. All the way from like different genres, they were all good.
cold coffee was nice
The cold coffee was really nice.
the kokum was also nice I liked it
Yeah.
it was very new like something new to me
The staff was good. I think they gave us a complimentary appam. Did they charge for it?
no
They gave us a-
मैंने देखा नहीं
We think
yeah,
that they.
that kind of guy you know I don't look at the bill yeah.
Oh. I think they gave us like a complimentary appam. Have you been here, National Science Center?
no
Dude.
क्या है यहाँ पे साइंस
यहाँ पे घुसते ही
साइंस है
यहाँ पे घुसते ही एक स्टॉल टाइप है जिसमें हवा में एक टैप लगा हुआ है,
अच्छा
उसमें से पानी निकल रहा है।
पर वो पता है ना तुझे वो नहीं होता है
हाँ बट वो मैटर नहीं करता ना।
दूसरी शॉप पे आजकल होता है
शॉप? ये
हाँ।
शॉप नहीं है, ये लिटरली इसके
नहीं।
ऊपर डायनासोर है भाई। वहाँ लिटरली एक डायनासोर बैठा हुआ है जो इसमें तोता लग रहा है। See, that's the dinosaur.
That's good.
And it has like cool like science shit. Overall food, I think I would rate it like a 7.5 I think. But I feel like the 7.5 for all the food that we ate. I think it could have been an 8 if we didn't order the big plate.
Or like anything else. Like we ordered any other big plate.
Yeah. But it was good. Is it date worthy?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a nice, it's like it has an indie.
It's not a romantic date.
Yeah.
It's
It's more
a
only
outing like let's call it.
yeah, intellectual people go there on dates kind of.
And converse. We should have had also like coffee and chai. I think वो भी बहुत अच्छा था वहाँ पे.
Okay. Yeah.
Tan 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 tan.
Okay. That's all guys. Wow.